Morning students, I your Vaishali ma'am welcome you once again in Alchemy Online Tutorials class 2 subject mathematics. As we have started the chapter number 5 multiplication, yes, so in the last class we have done the number line on multiplication sums, right? We have written the sums on the board and we have learned the concept of jumping and skipping with the number line. As I know, you are knowing the tables till 10, but then after number line, it is very important to learn to rewind the tables that you have learned in the class 1. So come, let's recap, take a recall of the tables from the course book. So in the last class, we have solved this multiply the following using number line, right, which I have solved on the board. Now moving further, multiplication tables, let us learn the multiplications table. So here you can see there is a number grid of 1 to 20 from which the highlighted numbers are the answers of the table 2, right? So here can you see 1 into 2 is equal to 2. As we are writing the alternate numbers, we are writing 2 ones are 2. In the same way it is there 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Whether we multiply 3 multiply by 2 or 2 multiply by 3, the answer will be remain same. Now here you can see that 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6. So this is the table of 2, right? Now moving further to the table of 3, this is the multiplication table of 3, right? So here you can see the answers are highlighted. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, right? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. Now after 18 we have to write 3 sevens are. So here can you see the answer is highlighted. So you will write here 21, right? After 3 eights are, so 24. In this way you have to complete the table. 9 threes are 27 and 3 tens are 30. In this column also you have to complete by seeing the number grid of 1 to 30. So here you have seen in the table of 2 the number grid is 1 to 20. In table 30 till it is 1 to 30. In table number 4 here you can see it is the counting till 40. Yes. So you have to complete the table from highlighted digits. Okay, now this is your favorite table, table number 5, right? Here you can see the answers are in a gap of 5 and 5, like 5 10, 15 20, 25 30, 35 40. This also you have to complete it by yourself. Now 6 table, 7 6 are, after 36 we have to see 42, right? 7 6 are 42, 7 8s are, sorry, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, and the last one is 6 10s are 60. In this way you have to complete from the highlighted digit, students. Now here you can see the number grid up to 70. Table of 7, so number grid up to 70. Table of 8, so table up to 80, right? So here 6 8s are 48. We will start from the starting. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 tens are 80. This side also you have to write the same answer. 8 times 8 makes 56. 8 times 8 makes 64. 9 times 8 makes 72. And 10 times 8 is 80. Right? If you are knowing the table, then no need to see the number grid. Just write the table by yourself. In this, the same way you have to complete the table of number 9 and number 10. If you are having any doubts regarding the table, you can ask me in the Zoom class session or while commenting in the video. Now here you can see there is a short recap grid of tables where you can see there are the tables of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here can you see the table grid of 1 to 10 given in one line. Right, students? So after seeing the table and learning the table, let's do the exercise, which is number 3. Right? So there are dash birds. How many birds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 birds are there. So you have to write down 6. Each bird has dash wings. How many wings birds are having? 1 and 2. So no need to count the total number of wings. What you have to do is you have to multiply here. So I will do in rough 6 into 2, which is 12. So the total number of wings are 12. Now we can calculate here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So for checking the answer I have counted, which is 12. So my answer is correct. There are dash hands. So we will count hands with the shirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? 8 hands. And how many? Each hand has dash fingers. How many fingers are there on your hand? 5. So you have to write here 5. Now 8 5s are. So you have to say the table of 8 till 5. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. So the total number of fingers are 40. So I hope the concept of table is very clear in your mind. Now you have to learn, you have to learn the tables by heart, and you have to give the answers quickly while we are doing the multiplication sums. Now randomly whenever I will ask you in the class, okay, tell me 7 3s are, you have to give the quick answer like 7 3s are 23. Right, students? So in this way, do learn and write tables daily, and ask your parents, say to your parents, please ask me table of 5. Give oral daily to your parent or your brother or sister. One day of 5, one day of 6, one by one you have to learn the table. So you can quickly do the sums of multiplications and you can answer it. Okay, students? Till then, take care and have a nice day.